Hey there, I'm Khalid from Cade, and I talk about anything and everything to do with architecture and interior design. Today I am talking about fillet. Fillet is when you round off a corner. That is the only way I can tell you. So I'll just go straight into it because there's not much to talk about. So right now I have a 10-foot line and I have a 5-foot line. And let's say I want to offset this by 6 inches to to imitate a wall. I click there and I click there. So right now I want to fillet. I want to turn this into a certain angle. So bear in mind this is a 10-foot wall and this is a 5-foot wall. So what I'll do is I'll type fillet. It's gonna ask me it's gonna ask me which walls do I want to fillet, which two corners do I want to fillet, and the first thing I want to do is put a radius. Remember that your radius should not be bigger than the lines themselves. So if I put a 20-foot radius, it won't work, but I can go from 0 to at least 4.5 feet. So I'm gonna type R for radius. It's asking me what do I want. I want a 4-foot radius, and so it's asking to select the first object. I'm saying this line, and then the second line is this line, and there we go. So I could do the same thing, either type fillet again, and because it's gonna remember the last radius I used, I just press enter. Oops. Fill it again. I just it's gonna remember the last radius I used, and there we go. It looks a bit wonky, but anyways, that's how that works. If I wanted to multiple fillet, if I wanted to keep going with a 2-foot radius with a let's say 2-foot radius, because that's what happened, it was wonky, right? So if I wanted to go with a 2-foot radius in everything, so let's say I made another line over here and I made another corner over here and I wanted to fillet, I'll type M for multiple, and then it's gonna ask me, okay, what radius do I want? I want a 1-foot radius. So I'll go press the first part, the second part, and I can keep going. The first part, second part, I can keep going. The first part, second part, I can keep going. First part, second part. So that is how fillet works. Very quick, very simple. You want to curve a corner, that's how it works. Chamfer, something different, and I'll talk about that in another video. But anyways, that is it for fillet. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.